This is GMA DZBB Channel 7, a commercial TV station with 100,000-watt transmitting power authorized under temporary license number BSD 0290-2009, issued by the National Telecommunications Commission, valid until December 31, 2010. GMA studios are located at the GMA Complex, EDSA, Corner Timog Avenue, Diliman, Quezon City, Republic of the Philippines. The GMA transmitter station is located at Barangay Culiat, Tandangsora, Quezon City. GMA Engineering is headed by Gilberto R. Duabit Jr. GMA transmission personnel is composed of electronics engineers, technicians, and first-class radio operators with license issued by the Professional Regulations Commission and the National Telecommunications Commission. Elvis Ancheta, electronics engineer number 3575. Tomas Sales, electronics engineer number 3010. Erwin Timbre, electronics engineer number 3650. Jonathan Salvo, electronics engineer number 19705. Erickson Lozada, electronics engineer number 35860. Louis Shapenko, electronics engineer number 15586. Rodrigo Cuizo, electronics engineer number 31687. Raquel Espiritu, electronics tech number 305. Remigio Apostol, 93-1 PNCR 5564. Roel V. Castro, 94-1 PNCR 12224. Renato Gonzalez, 94-1 PNCR 10804. Rafael A. Racelis, 94-1 PNCR 11977. Robert Maniego, 95-1 PNCR 15029. Chito Narboada, 95-1 PVII 13315. Alan Manguba, 97-1 PXI 20349. All programs telecast on this station have been approved by the Movie and Television Review and Classification Board. Seen via satellite in over 47 stations nationwide. Luzon, GMA7 Manila, TV7 Batanes, TV13 Aparri, TV5 Ilocos Norte, TV7 Tuguegarao, TV7 Abra, TV5 Mountain Province, TV7 Quirino, TV5 Bayumbong, TV10 Benguet, TV5 Baler, TV10 Olongapo, TV12 Batangas, TV7 Naga, TV12 Legazpi, TV7 Romblon, TV7 Masbate, TV13 Occidental Mindoro, TV13 Catanduanes, TV8 Coron, Palawan, TV12 Puerto Princesa, Palawan, TV6 Brooks Point, Palawan, Visayas, TV5 Calbayog, TV8 Boronga, TV10 Tacloban, TV12 Leyte, TV2 Calibo, TV5 Rojas, TV6 Iloilo, TV13 Bacolod, TV7 Cebu, TV11 Bohol, TV10 Sipalay, TV5 Dumaguete, Mindanao, TV10 Surigao, TV11 Iligan, TV2 Tandag, TV4 Dipolo, TV12 Cagayan de Oro, TV5 Ozamis, TV12 Kitanglan, TV3 Pagadian, TV5 Davao, TV12 Cotabato, TV8 General Santos, TV9 Zamboanga, TV12 Holo. This is GMA, the Philippines' largest network. Now signing on.
Kapuso, maganda ang bukas. Kapuso, magsama-sama.
Kaisa tayo sa puso,
Kaisa tayo sa hangarin. Magkasama tayong mangarap. Biyaya ng buhay, maging abot kamay.
sa Diyos nagtitiwala, sa sarili naniniwala, sama-sama
Nananalig, nangangarap, nagsisikap. Kapuso, anumang hamon ng buhay. Noon at ngayon, bawat Pilipino walang kasing saya. Okay, sa nang ito'y pangarap ang pinagmulan. Bawat hakbang ay sabay nating pinagdaanan. Narating na natin ang gustong paroonan. Ito ang tagumpay na ating inasal. Sigap ang ating pinuhunan. Lakas natin ay pagmamahal ang pinagkunan. Layunin nating magbigay ng kasiyahan. Tagumpay, tayo ay sinuklian. Pagmalaki ang tagumpay, lagi na sayang walang kapantay. Sigaw nating sabay-sabay kay sarap maging kapuso.
Buhay ay lalong sumasaya kapag tayo'y laging magkasama.
Mas sumasarap ang tagumpay kapag sa ating minamahal, inaalay. Walang hangganan ang lawak ng langit sa ating pagbalik. Walang makakapigil ngayong pangarap ating nang nakamit. Mas malayong bituin ang ating abutin. Ipagmalaki ang tagumpay, lagi ng sayang wala